Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to put a quick in-depth comparison review about these two productivity tools platform, which is Taskade and Evernote. So to get started with quick analysis and the review about these two platforms, Taskade is a flexible, all-in-one collaboration tools designed for teams productivity. It lets you create tasks, note outline, even mind maps, all in a unified space with a real-time collaboration, video meeting, and a flexible view option. Taskday is perfect for people who want a central hub to manage projects and communicate with their teams. It's a great match for small teams and businesses who need more just than a note-taking app. They want a tools that ties their task and communication together. Now, talking about Evernote, on the other hand, focus mainly on organizing information, capturing knowledge. It's a powerful digital notebook that lets you store documents, web clicking, to-dos, and note in a well-structured, searchable format. Evernote is perfect for individual or knowledge workers who need a reliable place to collect, organize, and retrieve information quickly. So if you want a team-centric tools for collaboration, Taskday push ahead. But if you need a rich, flexible archive for your knowledge, Evernote might be your best match in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and how you think they can help you automate your work. And that's it.